pretty dysregulated today. So I decided to come outside to do my journaling. And I noticed all these dragonflies putting on this spectacular acrobatic air show. And while none of the things that I'm ruminating about disappeared or ceased to be, watching the dragonflies helped me step out of myself for a moment and become one with everything else. And it became much quieter inside. So I thought I'd share that with you. May be happy, may be healthy, may be wealthy, and may you feel at ease. I love you so much. Bye-bye.